tayo sa Kotor, Montenegro, and welcome to my vlog here in Balkans Explorer 101. Hello guys, welcome to Kotor, Montenegro. Hello guys, welcome to Montenegro, our 30th. Nandito na tayo sa Budva, Montenegro. Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa stopover dito sa Albania pa din. So, kanina maaga tayo nagising kasi nga tayo ay pupunta na ng Montenegro at Croatia. At hindi tayo nakapag-breakfast kasi maaga tayong nagising at maaga tayo umalis. So, stopover muna tayo. Yan guys, stopover muna tayo dito. Stopover at CR break. Yan. Dito pa din tayo sa Albania. Albania guys. Hello guys, so nakalagpas tayo sa Albanian border exit and then papasok dito sa Montenegro. So ang process lang dito is hindi tayo bumaba ng bus, pero ang nag-asikaso ng ating entry sa border is ang ating driver na si Panos at ang ating tour guide na si Will. Montenegro is a small country in the Balkans in southeastern Europe. It is on the Adriatic Sea between Albania to the south and Croatia to the north. Inland to the east and southeast is also common border with Serbia and Bosnia. Traveling from Tirana, Albania to Budva, Montenegro typically takes between 3.5 and 6 hours by bus, roughly 140 to 251 kilometers. Hello guys, welcome to Montenegro, our 30th country. So, nandito tayo sa stopover dito sa Montenegro. Papunta tayo ng Budva at doon tayo kakain at ang Kotor. Ayan guys, welcome to my Balkan country. It's my 30th country. So, nandito na tayo sa Budva. Tawag dito Montenegro. Welcome guys. Welcome to my Balkan Explorer travel vlog here in Montenegro, my 30th country. Hello guys, we are traveling to Budva, Montenegro, and we'll be having our lunch and quick stopover and sightseeing together with our expat explorers travel mates. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Budva, Montenegro kahit naulan. Yan o. Let's see. Hey guys. nandito tayo sa Budva, Montenegro. Yan, another country. Ano po, tita? Hello to my travel vlog here in Montenegro. So we were crossing the streets and we will eat lunch before heading to Kotor, Montenegro. Yeah, we will go to the boardwalk now. Budva is a coastal town in southwestern Montenegro on the Adriatic Sea, known as the center of the Budva Riviera. Known for its well-preserved Venetian walled medieval old town. Hello guys, we are here in Azzurro Beach Restaurant here in Budva, Montenegro, and we'll spend our spare time for lunch with Expat Explorer travel mates. Guys, magla-lunch muna tayo dito sa Montenegro, Budva. So here we are guys, we ordered pork chops, barbecue, but apparently it took more than an hour to serve our food. It is a little bit frustrating because we consume too much our time waiting for our food to serve rather than spending time for sightseeing at Old Town of Budva. But it's okay, it's part of the game of being a traveler. Let's just eat our lunch and enjoy the rest of the day here in Montenegro. Besides, we have limited time here in Montenegro guys. Nandito tayo sa coastline ng Budva, Montenegro. So yun guys. Yan. Yun yung old town. Hindi na tayo mapupuntahan kasi nag-lunch na tayo dito. So picture lang tayo. So still, we are here in Budva. So, hindi na tayo nakapasyal sa tawag dito, Old Town ng Budva, Montenegro kasi ang tagal ng service nila dito na pagkain. Kebab, it takes 1 hour and wala na. Spoil our trip dito sa Budva. Dito sa tawag dito? Dito sa Budva, Montenegro. Yan. Yun yung Old Town. Hindi na tayo pumunta doon. Dito lang tayo sa ng coastline dito sa Budva, Montenegro. We are now entering the town of Kotor, Montenegro, where we will spend the rest of our day. Kotor, Montenegro is a breathtaking UNESCO World Heritage listed coastal town nestled in the secluded bay of the Adriatic Sea. Surrounded by dramatic limestone cliffs, famous for its well-preserved medieval old town, Venetian-era fortification, and vibrant cat population. It offers a blend history, hiking, stunning fjord-like scenery. Guys, so nandito na tayo sa Kotor, Montenegro, and welcome to my vlog here in Balkans Explorer 101. Hello guys, welcome to Kotor, Montenegro. Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Kotor, Montenegro, and we are joining with our guide sa walking tour dito sa Kotor, Montenegro guys. Hello to my travel vlog here in Kotor, Montenegro. Ayan guys. So, anong tawag dito sa church, tita? Montenegro Church. Dito sa Kotor, Montenegro. Kotor, Montenegro. Tita, anong tawag dito sa church na to? Kasi Kotor. Ayun, wait lang, tingnan natin. Yan. This is the Cathedral of St. Trifon. It's one of the two Roman Catholic cathedrals in Montenegro. It is the seat of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Kotor. Gusto mo makinig dyan? Guys, so may sarili kaming walking tour nila tita. Yan o, yan. So we are here in Kotor, Montenegro guys. So we are walking tour. Di kita tita. Walking tour with our own.
We abandoned the group.
Because we are too lazy. Crazy. Diba tita?
Listen.
We are not listening to our So we are here in Kotor, Montenegro. Yeah. So let's go guys, move and move while I'm on my vlog here in Kotor, Montenegro.
Guys, ang ganda ng Kotor, Montenegro. And guys, welcome. Hello guys, so we are here in Kotor, Montenegro. Yan. Hi. And, oh.
This is the St. Luke's Church located in St. Luke's Square within the northeastern urban quarter of Kotor Old Town. St. Luke's Church is an excellent example of early Christian church design in Kotor. The architecture of St. Luke's integrate Byzantine, Slavic, Romanesque, and Gothic elements. For cruise travelers, it's the perfect spot to spend a day filled with history and breathtaking views. Known locally as Luca Kotor, the port hosts nearly 500 cruise ships and millions of visitors annually.
Picture tayo ngayon. Vlog. Welcome to my vlog, Tita Vivian.
Again.
Oh, may kasama na ako dito sa vlog. I'm not all by myself.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we are here in Kotor,
Kotor,
Montenegro. Welcome to my vlog here in Kotor, Montenegro. So, nandito tayo sa cruise ship dito sa Kotor, Montenegro. Ayan, no? And guys, hello Vikings here in Kotor, Montenegro. Guys, we are here in Kotor, Montenegro. Itong fortress here in Kotor, Montenegro, guys. On my 30th country here in Biyahe ni Doc Marky. Hello guys, so welcome to Kotor, Montenegro. Mainit pala dito pero naka-jacket tayo. Yung ang weather na update na maulan. So buti na lang maaraw. So welcome to Kotor, Montenegro guys. Tapos na tayo ng ating walking tour and we'll go now to another country which is Croatia. Hello po. Hello po. Hello to my vlog. Hello. My Topino is here.
Welcome to my guys.
Welcome to Kotor, Montenegro po. With our tour mates. Guys, so we are heading back now to our bus and mag-check-in na tayo sa hotel. And we will going to Croatia na on our 31st country. Montenegro is our 30th country here in Biyahe ni Doc Marky and we are here in our Balkan Explorer Series 101 dito sa Kotor, Montenegro guys. And guys,
We are passing by the Bay of Kotor or the Boka Kotorska in a southwestern Montenegro. It is stunning UNESCO-listed Adriatic inlet renowned for its dramatic fjord-like landscape where limestone cliffs plunge into cobalt water. This winding bay features medieval towns like Kotor and Peras offering rich Venetian history Our tour guide Will offers us free snacks, drinks, wine and beer as we pass by the Bay of Kotor. So let's enjoy and let's drink.